I am not a baker. I don't bake. I can't bake. I don't enjoy baking. But when I was shopping, I saw in the aisle this Betty Crocker cake mix, so I thought, why not give it a try? I have vowed to myself that I'm gonna make my little girl's first birthday cake. So by the time she clocked 6 months, I thought this will be the best chance to practice, right? This pack comes allowing you to make one cake, but because I plan to make half a cake for 6 months, get it? You also get to make 12 cupcakes from the same batch, which is quite cool. To me, the cupcakes are looking a little bit burnt, right? But the plan is I'm gonna put buttercream icing on top, so we should be okay. So for the buttercream, I added extra butter because I wanted to see what effect this would have. And I also added a little bit of vanilla. So I'm cutting off the top because that's what I saw people on TikTok doing. And plan is just to level up the top, basically, trying to allow it to lie flat. Then, as I said, I'm doing a 6-month cake, so cut it in half to get the half cake effect. And now, cake's looking a bit lopsided. Didn't really know what to do about that, but we're gonna trust the process and we're gonna make this work. So put some icing down first and then a cake on top because that's what I saw people on TikTok doing. And then put in some buttercream filling and then we're gonna trust the process. Stay tuned for the result. So guys, this was the end result of the cupcakes and the half a cake. What do you think? Leave me some tips in the comments, because I want to get better and do a nice cake in time for her first birthday. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay blessed. If you want to see more lifestyle, fitness, empowerment, and motherhood stuff, then stay tuned and subscribe.